So, our objective for today is to compare two decimals to hundredths by reasoning about their size. When you learn that decimals are parts of a whole, you might have remembered other parts of a whole. You have also learned about fractions. In our last class, we learned how to compare a decimal with a fraction. To compare a decimal and a fraction, you need to change one of the numbers so that you have two decimals or two fractions. Recognize that comparisons are valid only when the two decimals refer to the same whole. So let's start with our first word problem. Sarah drinks 0.37 liters of juice. Rochelle drinks 0.4 liters of juice. Who drank more juice? Draw a picture and explain your reasoning. So we drew a picture for Sarah, that is 37 hundredth liter of juice. And for Rochelle, we do 4/10. We change it into hundredths. Now, as I said, you are supposed to change the decimals to the same whole. So it becomes 0.4 becomes 40 hundredth. Do you remember how to find the equivalent? Whatever you do with the numerator, you do with the denominator. So that's what we did. So we got 40 hundredths. So Sarah has 37 hundredths, whereas Rochelle has 4/10 or 40 hundredths. So when the denominators are same, who drank more? Rochelle, of course. So Sarah drank 37 hundredths of a liter, while Rochelle drank 4/10 or 40 hundredths of a liter. Rochelle drank more. Let's take another example. Dina lives 0.67 kilometers from school and Calvin lives 0.76 kilometers from school. Draw a number line to show who lives the farthest from school. So now this number line, there is no whole number over here, but it goes up to 1. So we will make 0 and it's 0.6 and this is 0.7. So it is going from 6 to 0.6 to 0.8. You cannot be 0.7 because this is more than 0.7, right? So 0.6 to 0.8. So let's take 0.67. It comes between 0.6 and 0.7. So we mark it over here. Then uh, Calvin lives 0.76. So you should know where it comes on a number line. It comes between 0.7 and 0.8. So it comes over here, 0.76. So now who do you think lives the furthest from the school? Dina or Calvin? Yes, it's 0.6. It's Calvin who lives furthest from the school. Now let's do just simple comparing, 3.5 or 3.35. So we make a number line which is 3 to 4 because this is the whole number is 3. Over here also the whole number is 3. Right? Now the decimal point is, this is 5/10 and this is 3/10. So we'll do 3.5 over here and 3.35 will come between 3.3 and 3.4. Are you getting my point? This is the whole number, this is the whole number. Now between the whole numbers you have the tenths. right? So 3.35 comes between 3.3 and 3.4. So which is the greater side? 3.5 is more than 3.35. Let's take another one. 2.1 or 2.45. I know without the number line you can do it very well. You know the answers. I know that. But if I ask you to draw on a number line, where will you put it? Where will you put 2.1? You will put it over here. And 2.45 comes between 2.4 and 2.5. See? So which is bigger, 2.1 or 2.45? You have to see after the decimal point. This is 1, this is 4. So this is bigger, 2.45. This one you will do on your own, and we will discuss it later on in the Zoom lesson. Now, Sam walked 4.3 miles an hour. Rina walked 4.46 miles an hour. Now the whole numbers are there, 4, 4. Okay? So you have to make a number line from 4 to 5. Right? Because the decimal points are coming between 4 and 5. So you will draw a number line to show who walked more. So you will go 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, and you will do the marking. We will discuss this again tomorrow in the Zoom lesson. And the worksheet is also uploaded on Schoology. We will try to do that also. This is the answer for the first. You try to do it on your own, and then we will do it together. Okay? Please don't copy the answers. Thank you. Bye bye.